Welcome back to App Mentor. Today, let me show you how you can verify your PayPal account. Let's begin by opening the PayPal. Make sure to log in your account. Then from here, go to your profile by clicking the top left corner of your screen. From here, let's scroll down a little bit and tap on Help. Then on the search box, just type in Verify, and you can see this How to Verify Your PayPal Account. On the option, tap on that. As you can see, you can verify your account by linking your bank account, bank cards, your debit card, or credit card as well. So that's the only way to verify your account. Now to link your bank accounts or bank cards, let's head over to your home. Let's just go back. From here, tap on Wallet below. As you can see on Bank and Cards, I already linked mine, which is a Visa card. To add one, just click Add New right here. On the Promote below, you can choose whether you want to link your debit or credit card. If you click on this one, you have the option to scan your card or simply type in your card details. If you want to link your bank account, just tap on Banks over here and fill out the information needed on this page. Once done, click on Link Your Bank, and there you have it. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!